welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. Today I'm just going to be cleaning some of the just higher traffic areas. So the living room, kitchen, and straightening up my bedroom, and then a few other problem areas that I kind of saw along the way. If you like cleaning videos, make sure you give this a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for coming back over to my channel.
Some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back.
Today's video is also in collab with two of my mom friends on YouTube. The first one being Jamie. She's a mom of 3 girls. The younger 2 are actually twins via IVF. So we connected on that level, and she posts a lot of mom content, a lot of cleaning. She sticks to her schedule, which I admire for her being so busy. So make sure you check out her video after this one, which is linked down below. And then I'll share my other mom friend here with you in just a second.
Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned, but sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love, that's just love.
And my other mom friend you have to check out after this one, also linked below, is my friend Lauren. She's a mom of a little boy who is super adorable. She also posts a lot of mom content, DIY content, and cleaning content. And I just honestly, guys, she's so genuinely sweet. I love her channel, so make sure you check out her channel too. And all together, all 3 of us are just here to give you the ultimate trio of cleaning motivation today.
Broken heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up.
I don't know about you guys, but I just never think to clean my backsplash weekly or bi-weekly. It was just kind of looking a little dingy on the bottom where things have splashed up on there or just need to be polished. So I just grabbed some of the cleaning Windex. I think that it has vinegar in it, and went ahead and cleaned that because it definitely was neglected and I could tell.
We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me.
So I am burning pumpkin cupcake. It is almost all the way gone, so I need to grab another one this year. But what is your favorite candle to burn from Bath & Body Works during the fall time? I'm just curious what you guys like, because I'm about to go probably here the next couple of days and get some more candles, and I love to hear what you guys like.
Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like
So I have to explain this head of my husband's laying on the table. I feel like it might weird people out, but my husband is currently overseas deployed with the US Army right now, and this is cardboard dad head. I got this a few years ago at his last deployment, and it just allows me to bring him along and include him in family pictures whenever we do things for the seasons or special events and things like that. So that's why it's sitting there. Sorry if it weirds you out, but that's just kind of the normal in our family right now.
Baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky.
That's going to be all for today's video, you guys. I do have Jamie and Lauren's video linked down below to give you extra motivation on this Sunday. I hope you guys did enjoy again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
And down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track.